Hey, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment. This video is for the week ending in January 3rd, 2009. So, welcome back. I'm sure you guys had a great holidays. Happy New Year to all of you. So, let's take a look at the market and see what's going on. Starting with a 10-year monthly view. This is for SPY, S&P 500 ETF. So, on a monthly view, you can see how with the month of December, which is this candlestick right here, you can see how there's a change in candlestick, change in momentum right now. You can see that we had three very strong down months right here with these candlesticks, and now on December you can see there's a change in momentum. Okay, the bears are not as strong as they used to be, right? And based on the size of this candlestick, you can pretty much guess that the month of December has been sideways for pretty much the entire length of the month, based on the size of how small this candlestick is, not to mention the body as well. We're starting a new month of January, so this will be the new candlestick, which we won't know until the end of the month to know what candle pattern it's going to be. As you can see, we're still pretty stretched out from the moving average, from this 20-month moving average. Okay, so if prices are trying to come back, rally to tag this, it's still got quite some distance to go. If not, it'll probably just trend sideways and the moving averages will come down and meet with it, which is a possibility as well. Next, we go into a 3-year weekly view. Alright, so this last week we had a pretty nice rally in these last 3 days. So this candlestick is a really nice large white candlestick. You can see from the prior weeks that the market has been in a pretty tight consolidation. You can, based on the size of these candlesticks right here. Right now the market is at least trying to tag this 20-week moving average. So you can expect some kind of resistance right around this $100 mark level. Okay, these last 2 weeks obviously has been on low volume because of the holidays. So any movement in any direction for the market is, I would be a little suspicious about any strong move of any movement because of the low volume. Okay, so prices are a little easier to be manipulated based on that. Okay, next we go into a 6-month daily view. Alright, you can see here for the month of December, pretty much sideways consolidation. We have immediate support. I would say immediate support roughly around this 85 level, which has been tested several times already. So 85 is developing to be a pretty strong support, pretty critical level. If that breaks, look for the next one around 82. And then as well as obviously our ultimate levels, it's going to be down here around the 75-ish level. Okay, so I mentioned we did break above resistance of 92 here this past Friday, but once again, like I said, volume has been very low. Okay, so traders aren't really, at least the big traders aren't back in the market yet, and we're not sure if this is truly a breakout or could just be a false move. Okay, so it's some kind of head fake. Trying to get people to buy into the market at the year end, or at least the beginning of the first day of the market. Next, we go into an hourly view. Now you can see these 3 days have been very strong to the upside, right? Breaking above resistance at 92, and very, very overbought stochastic. So most likely starting Monday and possibly even into Tuesday, we can get some kind of pullback. Okay. Or at least I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some kind of pullback, probably back at 92, since that was the previous resistance. Now it's turning into support, but most likely it can come back and probably test this 20-hour moving average. So somewhere around the 90, 91 area could be a good target for this pullback right now. Next, we go into the VIX. The VIX has been on a steady decline for this entire month of December, as you can see here. So it's letting us know that traders aren't as fearful anymore. Obviously, when a market side trends, the amount of puts that are being bought decreases, right? Based on the VIX, that's what it's showing, and it's into oversold territory right now. So if the VIX does rise, that means the market's going to decline, which is leading me to believe that we're probably going to get a down day tomorrow on Monday, possibly Tuesday as well. Simply because we have an oversold VIX, and not to mention that these last 3 days in the market. Okay, this is the chart again. These last 3 days in the market, the rallies have been on low volume, and it's overbought on the hourly view. So there's a pretty good chance of a pullback this coming week. Just how strong that I'm not sure yet, right? We don't really have a lot of clues from the market telling us as far as direction because we've been basically side trending this whole month. So once traders come back this week, we'll get a better idea of the market. But for now, it's still rather directionless. And it's kind of hard to say what's going to happen next. But there's a good chance of a pullback, like I already mentioned, starting next week.